There ain't nobody home today, but I'm gonna be okay. Sometimes it's really hard when I'm trying to explain what's going on in my heart, what's running through my veins. And I never, ever wanted to wake up in this weather. Or not, it was clever to sever our relationship. I try to reach out for your hand, but there's nothing there to hold on to. Was it me or was it you that just wouldn't budge? And how can you explain to me, 'cause I don't think I understand, and it's overdue. Tell me what you want, 'cause I just don't get what to do. Won't you tell me what you want? Tell me what you need. Tell me what to say and put it in a time machine. And it's never what we want, it's never what it seems.